Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you
no.
say about me?
Nothing, man. Just talking shit.
Use my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Yeah, these fenders.
Another customer. Caught me outside.
I know this fucked up right here, but I was gonna say if you can put some more sheet metal, put some stuff over there. And,
Yeah, I can cut it out.
yeah, you know.
Or I could do it the cheapest way possible. We don't want nobody to know. You know what I'm
Right,
saying?
right.
Except you.
Right.
Yeah, matter of fact, this is what I'm talking about. That other side,
Yeah.
it's gonna press through just like that. All these trucks got it bad. It's like some kind of foam or something that they got in
Right.
the inside. And they just get wet and dry rot.
I mean, when you first start doing your truck, I said, he get down over there.
Yeah.
What's your name, man?
Sean.
I'm Tony, man.
All right. Yep. Trying to
You
see.
got a number or something?
Yeah. Yep. Because the bottom is gonna be your money. Like unless, I mean, they sell these little the rocker panel parts that you can snap over it too.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. You have to look it up, but they snap. And
Over this car right here?
yeah, the whole thing. Yeah.
Okay, what they call?
Rocker panels.
Okay, for
Yeah.
both sides.
Yeah, I think they come in twos. Yeah. But you can take my number down.
Damn, man.
What-
I
what-
got your phone again.
What color you trying to go?
White.
White. Just them the fenders.
Yeah, you see this little black box right here?
Yeah, you I mean like the whole hood or just like spotting it? Or
Spot it.
them two
Them two fenders, and I order these parts right here, down here, and
I probably
get another light.
could get you for about 700-800. And I do them back with whoever put the sheet metal.
Mm-hmm.
And I fix over that wheel well right there. More like 8, you know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
And half down because I don't use none of my money to buy nobody part.
Right,
material.
So I bring you 4, then I bring you the other stuff.
Yeah, and it's gonna be I said good week.
I got another truck. You know
that'll
you know
work.
my other truck. Yeah, this is my route.
Yeah, you had told me last time.
I got that brown 4 with the rims on it.
Yeah. Just